You have to open SketchUp on your computer, and when you open it, it will show you like the option to select a template. So you can click on this arrow icon here and select a template according to your needs. So there are different types which are like simple. If you don't know with what template you want to start with, then you can select on a simple template with the measurements you want, like feet and inches or like meter. Or you can also choose the architecture, construction and like woodworking, etc. Template as well. So I'm gonna select the simple one for showcasing purposes and click on start using SketchUp. So SketchUp will open a new document in here. So this is basically when you start SketchUp app from your computer, but you can also like create a document while you like have like finished working or you are currently working. So for that you have to click on file and click on new, and you can save your current SketchUp project or not save or like not save changes. So once you have like selected that, it will open a new one here. So once you have just like click new one here, it will always open a new SketchUp document, and it will also like ask you if you want to close the save changes to the current SketchUp project of yours. So that's all for today. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.